Look at her. See the behind the scenes, under the wigs, under the hands.
It's my first time in 10 years to swim. I don't know what is gonna happen, guys, because I don't know how to swim. But here I am, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, it's your girl mama.G.Love. You can call me mama.G.Love. You can call me mama.G.Love. You can call me mama.G.Love. So guys, I'm really grateful for this guy. He taught us how to swim. I'm really grateful for him because at the end of the day, I was doing better than how I started. Wanna say hi? Hello. Guys, I'm so tired and hungry. Right now I'm going to the kids' pool. We are going to the kids' pool. Look guys, they're just babies here. Kids. Hello. 你会说英语吗？不会。如果你想说你好，你会说 hello。妈妈，有纸要还给我吗 ？hello。我的汉语不好，我说一点点。我跟老师弟。老师什么？弟。哦，他说英语吗？哦。I really had a great time, but look at my hands now. I don't know if you can see it, guys, and my legs, like yo. But I really enjoyed this day. It was really nice. Now I'm going. It's time to go home. So guys, this is the top view of the two pools. This one is the shallow pool and that one is the deeper pool. So they have no restrictions. You can even find children in the deeper pool and vice versa. So guys, as I told you before, I was so hungry, so we had to get food. So yeah, people agreed to go to Burger King, so yeah, we had to go there. So guys, this is my day. I really had a great time. I actually think I have potential in swimming. Guys, I want to do it again. See you next time.